everyone, this is me Satya here, and I'm back with the bonus love reads. This reading is going to be for the sign of Sagittarius. So let's see what is coming up for you guys for this read. Topic of the reading is going to be what are their true intentions, whoever it is that you are dealing with. Let's find out what do they intend for you or for the connection that they have with you. So let's find out. Before I dive into the read, let me remind you it's a general reading. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So let's see, whoever it is that you want to know, what is it that they're intending with you or for the connection that they have with you. Let's find out. We will take oracle cards and charms as well, so stay tuned. Let's begin the read. Let's find out what do they intend with you. Same as you, maybe there are certain things which are blocking them right now, but they exactly intend the same as you intend for this connection. There's a mutual feeling, mutual emotions that you have for each other, but yes, there are certain things blocking the path for the two of you right now. For some of you, the moon cycles could be affecting your connection a bit too heavily. Maybe that could be one of the blocks, I would say, but there is something else as well which is blocking the connection. It can be a third party situation, it can be something else as well. But yeah, I feel like you both want the same outcome from this connection. Let's see more cards here. Page of Wands, Ace of Swords, Four of Wands, Tower, Three of Wands. I need directly to have the Fool. I feel like you both want to break free from the current situation, which is basically stopping the two of you to come together. Everything seems perfect, and then something bad happens, and then everything kind of seems like everything is over. So there is something which stops the connection, which blocks the connection for the two of you. Again, like I said, moon cycles could be affecting the connection badly as well. Let's take more cards here. For some of you, maybe the career could be blocking the love life for you as well. Maybe that's the third party situation for majority of you, where yes, you want to be successful, you want to be, or maybe your person really wants to be successful, and maybe they want to be successful to the point where they are very maybe what we call it, passionate about their career. So maybe that's one of the reasons why they are not taking actions, or in the direction of love life right now. They are too focused on their work and career. Maybe it can be you, it can be them as well, but I feel like this connection is pretty much strong. You both want the same thing ultimately, so I feel like you will have to wait patiently before they could be ready to give into this connection exactly the way you want. I do see that whatever you want, whatever you wish will come true. Why? Because you both wish the same thing. It's very easy to manifest things when you know that deep down the other person wishes the same thing as well. But yes, if there are certain blocks which are blocking this person to take action, you can always use affirmations, visualization to help them get rid of the blocks. For instance, if you know that your person is very occupied with their work right now, maybe you can start visualizing them prioritizing you and your connection more than their work. And once you start doing that on regular basis, that will be the reality for you sooner. So that's how you can manipulate the energies of your person to get what you want. Now, ultimately, whether if you don't whether you try this or you don't, ultimately you will get what you want with your person, because that's exactly what they also desire. But just that sometimes it does get hard for them to give justice to the connection. Why? Because of their work scenarios. For majority of you, it's too much on your person's plate, which does affect the connection badly. Underneath the deck, we do have the Fool. Underneath that, we do have the Six of Swords. Underneath that, we do have the Five of Swords and Three of Swords. I feel like um, I would suggest you to do one thing. It is going to help you a lot. The visualization around the situation will help you a lot to the point where you can get what you want with your person. It's more like, you can make this person come towards you to give you the commitment, to give you the marriage, to give you whatever it is that you desire with them, by prioritizing you over other things that are happening in their life. And if you do that, if you could successfully manage to do that, if you could use affirmations, visualization, and all those tools and techniques, it will happen quick. But otherwise too, it will happen ultimately. But yes, you might have to wait for what you desire with your person. But I feel like, they truly intend to be with you. But yes, right now, there are blocks, and I feel like, it's more of the third party situation, of their work scenario, not the third person. For majority of you, I don't see it's a third person. You deserve way better than this. Now for some of you, maybe you feel like, you deserve better than what your person is giving into the connection. If that's the case, maybe you need to move on, breaking free from this person, breaking free from this connection, because it's always your choice, your decision. But yes, if you want to know that, would they ever give into the connection exactly the way you want, yes, they will. You will have to be patient. But if you think that it's very toxic for you to deal with the waiting, or to deal with it and being on the waiting side, maybe you can move on, to somebody better. Happiness is the key. If you could stay happy, being on the waiting side, it will be helpful, for you to get, stay positive, plus, be patient with them as well. Charity, donation, kindness, and generosity can help you a lot. Proud of you. I feel like, you are going to be proud of your person, because I feel like, this person could be very successful in their work, or maybe it can be you. If that block is coming from your end, then I feel like, there is a lot of, this person is a lot, pretty much, famous in, whatever they do. It's more like, this person could be at a higher rank in the work that they do as well. So yeah, let's see the chance. Let's see what the chance has to add to the read. So we don't have any alphabet. I feel like, it's very important, if you are on the waiting side for your person, I feel like, you need to relax, you need to chill, you need to fan your faith, not your fears, and you really need to, get yourself busy doing things that makes you, kind of, busy all the time, so you don't overwhelm yourself thinking about, when this will happen, when that will happen in this in this connection. Everything will happen when the time is right. But yes, for that you have to be patient with your person, and plus, while you are patient, you have to enjoy the process than getting where you want to get with this person. So if you could do that, then it's good. If you don't think you can, deal with this more, then maybe you can move on for yourself. But yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you are willing to get a personal read, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye.